Of government and democracy. Today, many countries of the world follow different types of government, but the modern world prefers democracy. What is government? A group of people managing the affairs of a country is called a government. The different forms of government are aristocracy, monarchy, autocracy, oligarchy, theocracy, democracy, and republic. Aristocracy, a form of government in which power is in the hands of small privileged ruling class. Example, United Kingdom, Spain. Look at the picture down. Political power is solely held by members of the upper section of society. Monarchy, a system of government ruled by a king or a queen. That is constitutional monarchy. Constitutional monarchy means ruled by a single leader, that is king or queen, but their power is limited by a constitution that gives right to the people. Example, Bhutan, Oman, Qatar. Autocracy, a system of government ruled by one person with absolute power. That is, a country or nation that is governed by a single person with unlimited power. Example, North Korea, Saudi Arabia. Oligarchy, a small group of people having control of a country or organization, that is, which a few individuals have all the power to make all the political decisions. Example, former Soviet Union, China, Venezuela, North Korea. Theocracy, a system of government in which religious doctrines form the basis of government headed by a priest to rules in the name of God. That is, a government run by religious leaders. There is no separation of church and state. Example, Vatican. Democracy, a system of government in which eligible members in the population vote to elect their elected representatives and the party or individual to obtain the majority votes. Our state governed under a system of democracy. Example, India, USA, France. Republic, a state in which supreme power is held by the people and their elected representatives, and which has an elected or nominated president rather than a monarch. That is, a republic is a form of government in which the country is considered as the public matter, not the private concern. Example, India, Australia. What is democracy? Democracy is a form of government that allows people to choose the ruler. Only leaders elected by people should rule the country. People have the freedom to express view, freedom to organize, and freedom to protest. Definition of democracy. According to Mahatma Gandhi, true democracy cannot be worked by 20 men sitting at the center. It has to be worked from below by the people of every village. And according to Abraham Lincoln, democracy is a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Features of democracy. The final decision-making power rests with those elected by the people. It must be based on a free and fair election. Each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value. Fundamental rights and protection of individual freedom. It should rule within limit set by constitutional law and citizen rights. Evolution of democracy. Democracy began 2500 years ago in ancient Greece. It is important to know that democratic institutions existed in India as early as the Vedic period. During the later Chola period, ancient Tamil Nadu, Kudavole system was very notable and unique feature of the village administration. The evolution of democracy is represented by the following values: freedom, equality, fraternity, that is brotherhood, accountability, that is answerable, transparency, trust. Forms of democratic government consist of two types: parliamentary form of government, presidential form of government. And a parliamentary form of government followed by India and England, and a presidential form of government followed by USA and France. And a parliamentary form of government, president is elected by elected members of Lok Sabha, elected members of Rajya Sabha, and elected members of state assemblies. This election is called indirect election. And a presidential form of government, president is directly elected by the people. And a parliamentary form of government, two types, legislature and executive. It works together. And a presidential form of government, legislature and executive will work separately, but judiciary will be independent on both the form of government. Types of democracy. Direct democracy, indirect democracy. Direct democracy. People directly express their will on public affairs. We can involve directly in public matter. Example, ancient Greek city-states, Switzerland. Indirect democracy. The other name for indirect democracy is representative democracy. People express their will on public affairs through their elected representatives. Example, India, USA, UK. We can involve in public welfare with the help of a leader, that is elected representatives. Merits of democracy. Responsible and accountable government, that is answerable government. Equality and fraternity. Fraternity means brotherhood. Sense of responsibility among common people. Local self-government. Development and prosperity for all. Popular sovereignty. That means supreme power. Sense of cooperation and fraternal feeling. Being together like brotherhood. Demerits of democracy. Indirect and representative nature of democracy. Lack of interest in democratic process. Those who are not having interest to put the vote, then lower turnout in election. Instability in governance due to fractured mandate. So, not a stable government. Delay in decision making process, making it late to take any decisions. So, these are the demerits of democracy. Democracy in India. India is a parliamentary form of government. The Indian Parliament comprises the elected representative of people and makes the law for the country. India is the largest democratic country in the world. It works on 5 basic principles. Sovereign, that is ruler. Socialist, providing social and economic equality to all citizens. Secular, freedom to practice any religion. Democratic, the government is elected by its citizen. Republic, the head of the state is elected directly or indirectly. Election in India. The general election are conducted by the Election Commission of India. At the national level, the President of India appoints the Prime Minister. All members of the Lok Sabha are directly elected through general election. All members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by an electoral college consisting of elected members of the legislative assemblies of the state and union territories of India. Lok Sabha is called as lower house, Rajya Sabha is called as upper house. The first election in democratic India. General election to the first Lok Sabha since independence were held in India between 25th October 1951 and 21st February 1952. The Indian National Congress emerged victorious. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first democratically elected Prime Minister of the country. Major challenges to Indian democracy. Indian democracy has to face serious challenges. The various aspects of democracy and its challenges are illiteracy, that is uneducated, poverty, gender discrimination, male or female, regionalism, casteism, communalism and religious fundamentalism, corruption, criminalization of politics, political violence. Success of democracy in India. Empowerment of the poor, that is authority or power given to the poor, not to misuse the powerful position and public wealth. Eradication of social evils and dangers, that means complete destruction of social evils and dangers. Efficient press to form public opinion. Presence of strong public opinion. Feeling of tolerance and communal harmony among the people, that is peace among the people. Awareness among the people of the fundamental rights. People should know their own fundamental rights. Conscious check and vigilance on the working of the elected representatives. Powerful and responsible opposition, that is opposite party should be powerful and responsible person.